Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get all the stash weapons in Cyberpunk. To begin, focus on completing both main and side quests, as many iconic weapons are direct rewards. Pay close attention to unique enemies and bosses. They frequently drop these valuable items upon defeat. Remember to thoroughly loot every area and enemy to ensure you don't miss any hidden gems for your collection. Beyond quests, diligent exploration is key. Many iconic weapons are cleverly hidden in the open world or within mission zones, so always look around. Don't forget about crafting. Some iconic weapons require you to find their unique schematics first. Investing in your crafting skill will unlock better versions and more powerful blueprints, making your collection even stronger. Keep an eye out for specific fixed locations, as some iconic weapons are placed in challenging spots, requiring careful navigation or combat. While less common, some vendors might offer iconic weapons or their essential crafting components, so check their inventories regularly. It's also worth revisiting areas after significant story progression, as new iconic items can sometimes become available there. To complete your collection, always pick up iconic weapons as soon as you find them, as some are easily missed and cannot be retrieved later. Regularly check your apartment's stash wall to see which weapons you've acquired and which ones are still missing. This helps you track your progress effectively. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. It's packed with valuable resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.